All right. So now, children, what were we doing in the last class? Comparing quantities.
Yes.
But I think I started with another lesson as well. What lesson did I start with after comparing quantities?
You were doing comparing quantities.
No, but comparing quantities was. But I think comparing quantities was completed. Then I started with another chapter.
Yes.
Let me check. No, I think comparing quantities was only going on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Mustafa, put on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just let me check what is left. Yes, so few questions from comparing quantities were left. I will just quickly complete those questions. Okay, so children, just look at this question now. The population of a place the population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5% per annum. Okay, find population in 2001. First point, and second point is what would be its population in 2005?
Sorry, ma'am, I joined late.
In 2005. Okay, children? Yes, we have everyone in the class now. Yeah. So, children, see, the question is the population is increasing to 54,000. So, what is the principle? The principle is 54,000 in the year 2003 at the rate of 5% per annum. What is the rate? The rate is 5%. Find the population in 2001. So, children, that means earlier the population was less, right? Earlier the population was less. So, what
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
have to? Sorry, children, this is actually the amount. This becomes the amount. Like this is the increased percentage. Like after increasing, like let's suppose initially, let population in 2001 be X. Okay, if the population in 2001 is X, then what happens? Amount is equals to, see what was the formula? Amount is equals to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power n. This is the formula, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes.
children, over here, the amount is how much has it increased, like after the increase. So here the amount is 54,000, okay? So 54,000 is equals to principal is the initial value. So initial value is X because initially in 2001 the population was X into 1 plus, now what is the rate? The rate is 5%. So write 5 by 100. And what is the time? The time is From 2001 to 2003, what is the time?
4 years.
Years.
4 years.
So n is 2. So children, what I will do? I will do 5400 or 54,000. 54,000 it was. Is equals to x 105 by 100 square. Okay. So I will write it as 54,000 into 100 into 100 upon 105 into 105. Okay. Right children? Like this you will do.
Yes.
Now you can just cancel the value. Just cancel by 5 and get your answer. So children, did you understand the concept? Tell
Yes,
me, did
ma'am.
you understand the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So children, do one thing, just try this question once on your own. Try it once on your own and tell me, are you able to understand? Okay. Children, just tell me when you're done, okay? Just raise your hands.
Okay. Mom, I have a doubt in one step.
Yes, children, what are you saying?
Mom, I have a doubt in one step.
Yes, tell me what doubt. This step?
Yes, mom. Mom, if it comes like this, should I keep 54,000 as the denominator or as the numerator?
No, it will be the numerator only. See, what is the rule is, The value of x you're not shifting, so x remains at its place. Everything apart from x is transposed to the left side. So you have 5400 into 100 into 100 divided by 105 into 105. So you cancel 5 into 2, 5 into 1. Okay, so you get 5 into 20. Again cancel by 5 into 21. Again you get 20. Now what do you get? 5400, 54,000 into 400 by 21 into 20. Now children, nothing can be really cancelled any further. So I'll tell you, just multiply and cancel directly. So what do you get? You get 0, 0, 0. 21 into 21 is how much? 441.
461.
So
41.
you can just divide it, 441 2160. Just divide it and get your answer. Okay. Children, I was actually explaining you under Microsoft. Please look onto the board. So you can do one more thing. Approximation when you take. So you take 400 upon 21 into 21 is 441. Children, I can approximately take 441 equal to 400 and the answer is somewhere 5400 only. Or less than 5400. Okay, so when you have to write just an approximate answer, you don't have time in the exam, you can just write like this. Just write approximate answer is 54,000. Okay, otherwise you can solve also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the approximate means rounding off, right?
Approximation means that nearly equal to 54,000. It's not exact.
Yeah.
It means it's not exactly equal to 54,000, but it's near to 54,000. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am. So it's okay if we write like approximate symbol and then 54,000?
that's what I'm telling you. See, when you don't have time in the exam, write the approximate answer. When you see that the time is just 5 minutes or 2 minutes and you have to write the answer quickly, just write the approximate answer. But when you have time to do the entire calculation, then do the entire calculation. Okay?
Yes.
Right, children? So just do the next part as well. Next part is telling you what would be the population in the year 2005. So children, for to find the population in 2005, now this 54,000 becomes the principal. So now the principal is 54,000. The rate is same, only 5%. The time is also, tell me now how much is the time? From 2003 to 2005, what is the time?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years. So 2.
2 years.
Okay.
Ma'am, but if we want
So
to
like
do
this,
this, then we have to know the amount, right?
what are you saying, Duha?
Ma'am, when I calculated the answer for for find the population in 2001, I got a much less number than what you wrote.
How much did you get?
Ma'am, I got 34289.
No, 3.28 is not at all correct. 3.828 what?
Ma'am, 34289.
34289 you're getting. No, that is also not correct. Why? Because I tell you it's near to 50,000. So either in the range of above 45,000 and below 54,000 it is.
Okay, ma'am.
Now student do for 2000, do the second part. Student, is my screen visible?
No,
No, ma'am.
One second. Is it visible now? Student, is it visible now?
yes, ma'am.
Student, just tell me when you're done. We have to move to the next question as well.
Yeah, done, ma'am.
Done? Okay, let's discuss the answer.
Done, ma'am.
So now amount is equals to principal 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. So amount, see children, amount and principal are actually the terms that are used for money related purpose. Okay. But here we are talking about population. So just you should instantly be able to relate it to the population. So in terms of population over here, what is the amount? Amount means the final thing. Final thing we don't know that you have to calculate. The principal becomes 54,000. 1 plus 5 by 100 power 2. Okay. So we have 54,000 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. Okay.
Ma'am, how did the 105 came?
See, when you calculate 1 plus 5 by 100, so this 1 you will
Yes.
make as 100 by 100
Yeah,
plus
yeah.
5 by 100. 100 plus 5 is 105.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am. Ma'am, in the previous one, ma'am, 54,000 was the amount.
Yeah,
Now, why is it the principal?
because see, because earlier 54,000. Children, earlier 54,000, they are talking about in 2000. See, in the year 2003, then we have in 2001, then you have in 2005. Okay, then what you have? Then what you have? 2003. See, this is 54,000. From 2001 to
Yes, sir.
2003, it increased by 5%. Again, from 2003 to 2005, it's increasing by 5%. Right?
Okay,
Now,
mom, I got confused.
what are you saying?
Mom, I got a little confused. I thought that 2001 had 54. The population was 54,000. I got confused.
Now, do you understand this?
Yes, mom.
Initially, I was asking you to find for 2001. So, for 2001, this becomes the amount. But when you have to found for 2004, this becomes the principal. Okay. Now, children,
Yes, mom.
now what happens is, now you will just do the cal. So this part is clear to everyone, right? When does it become the amount and when does it become the principal?
Yes, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
So now children, this part is also clear. So you can just cancel two zeros with two zeros, cancel one zero with one zero, right? So what you have, 54 into 105 into 105 divided by 10. Just cancel. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 carry, 2 into 27. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 21 is 105. So finally, what do you have? You have 27 into 21 into 105. Got this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just multiply it and you will get your answer. Right?
Mom, in the first part of the question, when it was asking the population in 2003, couldn't we just find the 5% of 54,000 and then subtract it?
No, no, no. See, it is not the case that it's just increasing by 5%. No, it's increasing 5% every year. So it is being compounded. See, the total number of years is 2 and it is being compounded every year. So that is why we are not doing simple interest. It is not just you are doing it by interest. You are doing the population is being compounded every year. That means doubles every year, like that.
Oh, okay, mom.
Okay, so compound interest has a whole set of different things. So that is why you won't do it by a direct method. Shall I give you next question now, children?
Okay,
Yes,
mom.
ma'am.
This question becomes: a scooter was bought. A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after every year. Oh, sorry, after 1 year. Okay, so children, just do this question. Yes, Duha, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the solution. Tell us the solution. Duha, you're mute.
Done, ma'am.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 39060.
Tell me the solution as well. What is it? Is find. It is written the scooter was brought as 42,000. So first of all, what is this value? This value is the principal.
Yes, ma'am. That's the principal. 8
Then
is the
amount we
rate.
don't know.
Yeah,
How much is the rate? Rate is 8%.
8 is the rate, and its value in 1 year. That's the time. That's
Time
n
is
is
1 year.
equal to 1. Yeah, time is 1.
So amount is equals to 42,000. 1 plus 8 by 100.
Doesn't depreciated mean?
What are you saying? Yeah, minus sign. Just put a minus sign. Why? Because the value is being depreciated. So
Yes,
42,000. 100 minus 8 is 92 by 100
42,000.
into 9. Just one time only because the power is 1. Two zeros
Ma'am, it's
cancel.
42,000.
42 into 9. Okay. 420 into 92 you will do and you will get your answer. Right? Tell me, student, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the next question is a scooter was bought at rupees 42,000 its value. Tell me.
Ma'am, it's the same question.
Oh, sorry, children. I wanted to write the next one. Yeah, please look here. In a lab, in a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially okay. So what you have to do is see, look here, very carefully. The count of the bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. So children, now they are telling you that the rate of increase is in reference to number of hours, right? That is the question. In terms of number of hours they are talking about. So what you have to find is, you have to find at the end of after end of 2 hours, how much will be the count if the initial count was this much. So again, amount is equals to principal 1 plus r by 100 whole power. Okay? Use this formula and solve the question. Have you completed?
No, mom, I'm ready.
Okay, just quickly do
No,
it.
ma'am. Done. Done, ma'am.
Done, mom.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, student, completed. So who will tell me the answer? Tell me, children, who will tell me the answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, tell the answer, Hermine.
Y- Yes, ma'am. Yeah, amount is equal to 506000. Then 1 plus 2.5 by 100. 2.5 by 100. Then that whole raised to 2. Then amount is
Okay,
equal
next.
to again yeah 506000. Then
Fine.
1 by we can make denominator 100. 1 by 100 plus 2.5 by 100 whole raised to 2.
So what does this become
1
actually?
by 1 by 100 plus 2.5 by 100 whole raised to 2.
That's not just 1 by 100, Hermine. I've told you many times 100 by 100 you would write. You can't just write 1 by 100. First of all, remove the denominator. Remove the decimal. This becomes 1000. Now do 1000 by 1000 plus 25 by 1000. Now whole power 2.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah,
506000. You get
mm,
1025 into 1025 divided by 1000 into 1000. Okay?
000.
Cancel three zeros with three zeros. Now just cancel something with 5. 5 into 2, 5 into 5. Right?
Yeah,
5 into 2, again with 5. 5 into 4, 5 into 1. 5 into 4, 5 into 0. Again with a 5, 5 into 8.
Mom, when I did this, I couldn't further multiply or divide.
Let's check what are we getting. 5 into 2, 5 into 5.
yeah.
Now you get 506 into 205 into 41 by 8. See, I can still cancel. I get 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 2, right? 1 carry. 2 into 5 and 2 into 3, right? So now you simplify this part. 253 into 205 into 40. See, 41, just make it 40. Round it off. 4 into 1, 4 into 10. So just multiply with 10. See, a lot of calculation become easier. Now you just have to multiply 253 into 205 and whatever the answer is, just put 0 at the end. Okay?
Yes,
See, this much rounding off you can do very easily because it's just about one number. 41 you can easily round off to 1 to 40. Now I will just give you one more question. TV was bought at a price of 21,000. After 1 year, value depreciated by 5%. Find the value. Okay. What it is written, look very carefully. A TV was bought at a price of 21,000. After 1 year, the value was depreciated by 5%. So rate is 5%, principal is 21,000, time is 1 year. You just have to find the value. And since the value has depreciated, so you have to subtract. Okay, 1 minus R by 100 units. Right,
Yes.
children? So do it like that.
Done, ma'am.
Is somebody saying something?
Done, ma'am.
Children, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, so who will tell me the answer now? Mustafa, you're not responding anything. Did you complete the question, Mustafa?
I'm doing it. Almost done.
Do it quickly. You're not responding anything at all in today's class. Let's wait for Mustafa children, then we will discuss. Please revise your answer by the time. what happened, child? You're still not done?
Done, ma'am.
Mustafa, what were you doing when I gave you time to do it? Were you not doing the question? Okay, look on the board now. Tell me how will you do it. First of all, tell me the formula.
Yes, ma'am. Um, the principal is 21,000, so it would be 21,000 plus 5 by 100.
21,000 plus? No.
No, I mean 1
How
minus
much is
5 by 100.
21,000? 1 minus
5 by 100.
5 by 100. The time was 1 year only. You get 21,000. 100 minus 5 is 95 by 100. Two zeros cancels with two zeros. Answer will be 210 into 95. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so now children, with this question we come to the end of this lesson. Now we don't have anything else that is left for this.
Mom, I sent practical geometry today.
Practical geometry. Duha, we will be having a separate class for you for practical geometry. Yeah, you did send me the PDF. I have received the PDF. Or we can also do one thing. If you send me just construction of quadrilaterals,
Mom, understanding quadrilaterals?
you send me
Yes.
construction of quadrilaterals in practical geometry.
Oh, Mom, that part is actually cancelled.
Okay. So you have 4 exercises in total, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we will be conducting an extra class